Desco Electronic Recyclers was started in 1992 to fill a gap in the market to recycle discarded electronic appliances and electronic devices. We have created a comprehensive recycling solution for e-waste that also considers legal compliance as well as environmental, social, economic and technical factors. Beginning with a single bakkie and trailer, we have grown our operation in Kempton Park. We are also actively expanding our footprint across South Africa. Our business begins with our sales team, whose task is to contact clients and potential customers that may have e-waste that requires removal. The focus is on helping clients to achieve their business and environmental goals with respect to the collection and disposal of their e-waste. Depending on how much e-waste needs to be collected, trucks and bakkies of different sizes are sent for collections. When they return, they stop at one of our weigh bridges in order to assess how much material they have accumulated on the trip. Once the load has been weighed, the truck proceeds to the sorting yard where it is unloaded and e-waste is sorted into various categories for processing. At this point, we record any information that is required to comply with the provisions of South Africa's Extended Producer Responsibility Regulations. Other customers bring in their e-waste into our facilities themselves. Where necessary, we can use a weigh bridge to weigh the vehicle with and without its load. But in most cases, we will simply remove the e-waste from the delivery vehicle and sort it into broad categories. We will then weigh each category on the scale located at our front gate. The e-waste is either taken for serialization or directly to dismantling. In the dismantling center, workers will separate the various fractions. Steel, aluminium and plastic will go into separate bins, and our main focus, the PCBs, will be classified and placed in their own appropriate bins. The PCB fractions that are harvested during dismantling are sorted by grade and then placed in a machine to be processed into smaller fractions ready for end processing. Desco is also constantly looking for solutions to problem fractions, those materials that are difficult or dangerous to process. Another of our specialized machines breaks up hard disk drives into fractions suitable for end processing. We are also required by some companies to certify the destruction of hard drives and other electronic components to ensure that the information on them can never be recovered. That is our Certified Data Destruction Service. Once the PCB and hard disk fractions have been processed, they will be loaded into containers for export and eventual end processing to extract the metals. These loads are weighed on the way to being delivered to the export terminal. But not all e-waste is dismantled, destroyed or recycled. As part of our vision for a zero-waste landfill future, we always seek permission from our clients to refurbish whatever is technically possible. This equipment arrives at a dedicated workshop where we have a team of technicians who are trained to reformat, rebuild and refurbish computers and laptops. Replacing worn or faulty components, the team prepares the machines to be sold in the shop attached to our head office. Over the past few decades, Desco has built a reputation for excellence, for innovation and for sustainable, responsible recycling solutions. We continue to expand our portfolio of services both upstream and downstream in our quest to build a circular recycling economy in South Africa. At the same time, we are also constantly looking to empower our people, our partners and our customers to join us in moving towards this brave new world. Desco, responsible, reliable, world-class electronic recycling.